Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at task management in SmartRecruiters. From your homepage, head to the Task tab to open up your task dashboard. By default, you'll land on All Tasks, and here you'll see those tasks that you've assigned to yourself that have been assigned to you by others, automatically generated tasks, and also any tasks you've assigned to other users. And these will be marked by either their profile picture or their initials. Each of the tasks displays an icon to the left-hand side representing the task type, for example, a calendar icon for anything associated with an interview. You'll also see the task title, the assignee if it's a task you've assigned to another user, and then the due date on the right-hand side. A red date means the task is overdue, amber will show up for today's tasks, and then black means it's due in the future. If you see a red flag, this means it's a high priority task, and these will always appear at the top of your list. You can choose to filter your tasks, so perhaps by who they're assigned to. So maybe I just want to see my tasks, or select assigned tasks for those that I've assigned to other users. You can also filter by the task type, its priority, its status, and also you can choose how to display the tasks, so you can sort them from new to old, old to new, or by the due date. If you have lots of tasks, you'll have the option to scroll to your next page at the bottom. Once you do this, you can go back by selecting the previous link. If you want to take a look at tasks you've already finished, you can switch to the completed view using the status. If a task is no longer needed, you can click the archive icon to remove it. So I'm just going to remove that completed status, hover over one of my tasks, and you'll see the archive option here. If you remove a task from your active list, you can then get back to those anytime by going to the archived view. If you want to create a task, you can navigate to the plus icon in the top right-hand corner and select Add Task. You can then assign it to yourself or another user in the system. You can select the task type, and then depending on the type of task that it is, you will link it to either a candidate or a job. You have an available field to enter any additional notes or details, and then you need to select the due date and determine whether the task is high priority. Once this is done, you can go ahead and click Create. This will of course be updated in your dashboard, and if it's assigned to somebody else, it will appear in theirs. One final thing to note is that automated tasks will appear in your dashboard. So for example, if you are an interviewer on a specific job, you will receive a reminder to go ahead and complete feedback after that interview. These can really save time and help ensure nothing slips through the cracks. So make sure you're keeping an eye on these and going ahead and getting them completed. So that's our review of task management in SmartRecruiters. Thank you for watching this video.